Hadin balayo ya kejing ujor naki babon balang halor kejing ti kendau beain daki kato ket ningut ki riu shimet ki bomla bantem. Nakaliang u Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District u Arpit Upadhyaya ulapan pendapat ba banakaliang ki bor penyai district kila shim khia da ka babtha ya uwe naki magister ka district ban penlong kejing wat bnia bat jing tohkit halor kate kejing pujo halor kejing ti beain ya ki lum ki wa nadu ka thain Byrnihat Syllad Khanapara. Habakren Syakilat Partai Kubor haka khatlai terik Jemang u Deputy Commissioner ulaya thu bakaladran shisha ke jing ujor naki babon balang halor kene ke kamti kendau bat penmadan yaki lumkiwa klem ke jing tip ne yo jing bit naki bor penyai district kumta ula ong ki bor ke district ila sedang bantok kir bnia ya kene ke kambian da ke batung ya magister bat kumjuru la thau da kawi ke komiti ban penlong ya ke jing tokin bat la depru ban ai ke jing tha ya ke tanah territorial forest lengba DFO divisional forest officer ban ai ke ka kai phot halor ke jing don kene ke kamti beain yaki lumkiwa.
We have received a complaint that because of earth cutting there has been a deterioration in the air quality also. Earlier also we have received these complaints, and whenever we have received earlier also, in that case inspection has been done and matter has been forwarded to DFO territorial to take necessary action, and certain action has been taken from the DFO side also. After that there was one committee from KHADC also, they have also visited the locations and taken necessary actions. And last week also we have received one more complaint that similar kind of earth cutting is going on, because of which there is a deterioration of air quality. So for that magistrate has been deployed, and action will be taken on that accordingly.